Welcome back to Culver's Mini Projects. Today we're going to clean out the chicken coop. We've got a load of lime here. I think this is 3 tons of lime, which might be a little excessive. I'm going to dump it over here on the side of the driveway. Then we'll scoop out the feces and we'll bring in the new lime and finish up. All right, in previous videos, we put this down, this tile, and it just holds the mulch in. And so I'm going to take this out, and it's really just a coupling that you just pull out. And now you've got a path into the chicken coop, so we'll be able to just drive. I'm not actually pulling that out, I'll just leave it there, but we're going to pull the rest of the stuff out of the way, and we'll scoop the duty. It's like, what's the temperature out here? Maybe 30?
40.
40? Oh. Okay. I'm scared I'm going to slip in this stuff. Alrighty. I guess I'm touching this. Okay, that was easy. Let's get her scooped out. Try to minimize scoops, so I'm going to pull some of that stuff from the sides into the middle. Oh, it's so bad. It's so bad. Oh, the colors. Oh. Oh. I mean, that's like, just that scoop is probably 40 pounds. Nasty. We'll see. Oops. highly advise doing this when it's a little bit cooler out. That smelled rank, to say the least, but we got it done pretty quick here. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit those notifications. See you next time.